Hi everyone, so today we're gonna be making a boat. So we need some bottle corks with 2 or 3 would be great. Then we hold it like this, and then we're gonna need a little stick like this one, and we're gonna make the sailing. Should be like this shape, more or less. You can draw the school if you want it to be a pirate boat or the thing that you prefer. So I decided to draw a pirate boat, but we can draw whatever you want in your sailing boat. So once we have it, we are gonna do the cutting. And then we take this and this, and we need to stick it right here. And then we need the glue. And here we have our sailing boat, and now we can use it to play in the water, in a swimming pool or in a recipient that you have. You can try to play with the water. Another way to make a boat is use a nutshell, and then you can add some plasticine inside. You don't need to do this one because it's more tricky. Just put some plasticine and then put the stick inside, and then you make the sailing as we did before, and you can have something like this and use it in your boat. And then again, if you want, you can put something inside to pretend that is sailing in the sea or in the river like this, and you can play around with it. Once that we have our boat, we can just also stick a fabric in the stick, so we can have it like this. I did several choices. Once you have it, you can play around and put it in the water to see if it can flow up or not, or you can pretend to do some waves to see what happens, or even put a little insect so if the sailor, but take care of the insects, please. And that's it, and have fun. Bye.